Hi guys, we're going to do mukbang and then we're going to do pikbang boom and dice challenge. Okay.
Sige.
Four.
What's that? What's that, donut?
Yeah, it's a donut from Krispy Kreme.
Ah.
First bite.
First bite. Okay. First. You count AJ first.
One,
No, that's two already.
two,
Then three.
three.
Okay, then. Okay, four. Good job. Okay. Ano na? Go, pick-pack mo again.
Drum roll.
Okay, two. Okay, you say first. First bite.
One. First bite.
Then, second bite.
Second bite.
Okay, next. Talo, AJ. Ikaw na, Jay. Pindot. Ay, four. First bite. Say first bite. Ito, bite na. Bite, second bite. What's that ito? And then, two more. Gutom na si Kuya. Three. Then, one more. One more, four. Ang galing. Tata camera.
Pikbang boom.
Sige, talo. Okay,
Drum roll. Parang sa akin. One. Two.
Ako kumain ka dalawa. Ano na, Kuya? Hindi ah. Hindi ka muna dyan. Ay, dami. Three. Go. First bite. Go. Second bite. Then, third bite. Ang galing ah. Good job.
Talo.
Sino, Kuya? Ang galing ah. Three bites.
Basing kami.
First.
Basing kami.
Say
Sir.
first. Second. Okay, next. AJ. Third. Okay, go. Okay. One, two.
Okay.
Uy, dami. Six. Ang dami ah. One. Two. Three. Baka kunin kayo endorser ng Cheese Whiz. Baka naman.
Four. Four.
Four. Two more.
Two more pa.
Dandan lang. Sige, bite ka lang. Six. Okay, done.
They're so unlucky.
Go. Pick-pack mo muna.
Okay.
Okay, talo si Kuya. Ay, si AJ. Okay, two. Two bites. Two bites only, Kuya. Ay, laki ng bites ni Kuya. One.
Tapos eh. Okay, kuya.
Okay. Panalo si Kuya.